everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video, and welcome if you are new. So in today's video I am going to be doing just 4 minutes workout. This is very effective, very simple, and does not require jumping. And if you're ready, I am ready. Let's get into the video. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.